Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher of KKI Schools. Our mission today make a revision for quiz number 2-4 solving equations with variables on both sides. Okay? Okay, this revision consists of three parts. I will take them together. I will start with solving two questions for each part. Okay. Um, I will start with the question number 11. Okay, here it is 4p plus 2 equal 3p minus 7. My dear students, you know that if I want to solve any equation, I have to determine the left and the right. Okay, this is the left and this is the right. And let us make a rule. The rule says we have to put the variables on the left side. So I will put the variable on left side, and I'll put the numbers on right side. Okay guys, let us make this rule. Teacher, you said before we can transport the small variables to the side that have the big variable. Yes, but in the quiz, okay, let us make this rule to make your life easier, my boys. Okay, so the variable, all of time, the variables, I will collect the variables on the left side all of time. Okay, my dear student. Okay, I will rewrite the question again here down and keep the rule here, and start over. Okay, determine the left and determine the right. Now if you have this rule, the rule says put the variables on the left side, all the variables on the left side. Okay, that means I have to move this here and put the numbers on the right side. That means I have to move or transport this number in the right side. Now you are avoid all the confusing. Okay, which terms you have to put it in the left, which terms you have to put it in the right. So I find my rule that to put the variables on the left side and put the numbers on the right side. And we know what happened to the terms that transport. Okay, here I will do like this. This is the left side and this is the right side. I hold the 4b here, the 4p, and I will transfer or transport the 3p. It will be negative 3p. Okay, and in the left side I hold the negative 7 and I transport here the positive 2. It will be negative 2. Okay, great. Now 4p minus 3p, it is equal 1p equal negative 7 negative 2. Negative 7 means 7 for the grocery, and negative 2 means 2 for the grocery too also. So the answer negative 9. So this is the answer. I will take one more question and remind myself I will put all the variables on the left side and put the numbers on the right side. Okay, we are in the part 1. I will take 17 here. Okay, I will write it here beside me here. It is negative 3c negative 12 equal negative 5 negative plus c. Negative 5 plus c. This is the left and this is the right. The rule said I will keep or transport or collect all the variables in the left side. That's mean I will move this here and move this here. Now I will draw my border. This is the left and this is the right. The negative 3c, it is already exist in the left side, but I bring the plus c here. It will be negative c. Okay, in the right side I have the negative 5. It is already exist, and I will put the negative 12. It will be plus 12. Now here I will combine the variables together in the left side here. Negative 3 negative 1 equal negative 4c. This is the left side. What about the right side? Negative 5 for the grocery and 12 with me, it is 7. So negative 4c equal 7. Again, what is the coefficient of this equation? Great. It is negative 4. So divide both sides by negative 4. You can write it like this, or you can write it like this. It is up to you. The C coming alone and happy, and waiting what happened here. 7 over 4. How many 4 in 7? It is 1. Yes, 1. And I draw this line and drop the 4 here, and then I multiply 4 by 1. It is equal 4. How many steps to reach the 7 from the 4? It is 3. So 3 over 4, and don't miss the negative. So the answer here is it is negative 1 and 3 over 4 is the solution for the equation. Okay, my dear student, this is part 1. So what we learn in the part 1, put the variables on the left side, and put the number on the right side. Okay, now let us move to part 2. Part 2, what is the difference between part 1 and part 2? Part 2, you need to do one step to reach to part 1. Okay, one extra step, and then you will find yourself in part 1 and do the same steps. Okay, let us take question number 21 here. 21, I think we solve it. Let us take 23. It is what? It is 7 multiply the difference between 6 and 2a equal 5 multiply the sum of negative 3a and 1. Okay, okay. What we say? We say we have one extra step. Then we find ourselves in the part 1. Okay, what that step? You see here, I will determine the left and determine the right. And in the left and the right I have parentheses, so I have to break the parentheses. You know Ali's story. Ali must visit the farm and visit the home, or visit the home and visit the farm. It is the same. 7 multiplied 6 equal 42, and 7 multiply negative 2 equal negative 14a. So this is the left side. The border is equal, as we know. And what about the right side? This is Ali. Ali must visit the home and must visit the farm, so negative 15a plus 5. Okay, great. Now what we have to do, we have to go to the rule that say put all the variables on the left side and put all the numbers on the right side. That's mean I have to collect all the variables here and all the numbers must be here. Okay, let us start. I will draw my border. This is the left and this is the right. In the left already I have negative 14a, and I will bring this, it is plus 15a, and in the right I have already 5 or plus 5, whatever, and I will bring the number in the left side, which is 42. It is negative or positive, my dear student? Yes, it is positive. This negative 4, then the 14a, it is negative 14a. Okay, so when I move the 4 plus 14, 42, it will be negative 42. Great. Okay, I will combine the terms. The left side I will get a, 1a or a, it is the same, and in the right side I have 5 minus or negative 42. That means 37 for the grocery, for it, so it is negative 37 is the solution for this equation. Okay, my dear student, so the solution for this equation, it is a equal negative 37. Let us remind ourselves what is the meaning of the solution. The solution, it is the value of the variable that make the left side equal the right side. When you set or replace the a by negative 37, you get the number here equal the number here. Okay, let us move to the question number I think it is enough for the for this. Okay, I will move to part 3 actually. Okay, in the part 3 he asked me to determine whether each equation is identity or has no solution. What that mean, my dear student? Identity means like this. I will give you from what is the meaning of identity. Identity, see here, if I have x plus 1 equal x plus 1, this is the left, this is the right. Whatever the value here, all of time the left side equal the right side. For example, give x equal 1, so this will be 2 and this will be 2. Give x equal 2, this will be 3 and this will be 3. Give x equal 5, this will be 6 and this will be 6. So whatever the value of x, okay, the left side equal the right side, and this, in this case, we call this is identity. That means it has infinity solutions. Has no solution like this one. Whatever the value of x, if you cannot find any value of x, make the left side equal the right side. If you don't believe me, try. You cannot find. But here I will tell you, or I will explain to you how to solve the equation and determine if it is identity or it has no solution. It is identity means it has infinity solutions, or it has no solution, there is no any solution. Okay, I will take question number 30. For example, let us take 30. Okay, let us do it. It is 2 multiply the difference of 2k and 1 equal 4 multiply the difference of k and 2. Now this is the left and this is the right. Start, break the parentheses in the left side. 4k negative 2, this is the left side. What's about the right side? Again, 4 multiply k equal 4k multiply 4 multiply negative 2 equal negative 8. So this is the left and this is the right. Now we say put all the variables in the left side. Put all the variables in the left side. That means I will draw like this. Do like me exactly, my dear student. You will be happy. Okay. Now the left side has 4k, and I will bring this. It will be minus 4k. And the right side here, it has negative 8, and I will bring this. All the numbers in the right side, it will be plus 2. So 4k minus 4k, it is equal 0, and negative 8 plus 2 equal negative 6. So teacher, it is it is weird result, or it is make no sense. How does 0 equal negative 6? This sign, you consider it as a sign that tell you this equation has no solution. Okay, my dear student, when you reach like this result, the left side and the right side are different. Okay, 0 cannot be equal to negative 6, so it has no solution. Okay, so question number 30. Okay, the original equation has no solution. That means you cannot find any value of k. Make the left side equal the right side. Okay, my dear student. Okay, are you happy now? I hope so. Okay, now let us take question number 31 now, and we will finish. I will not take a long of time. along of your time, negative 6a plus 3 equal negative 3 multiply the difference of 2a and 1. Okay, the left side is ready, but the right side need to break the parentheses. Yes, my dear student. Okay, let us break it. Negative 3 multiply 2a equal negative 6a, and negative 3 multiplied by negative 1 equal plus 3. So the right side is ready. Yes, my dear student. And I will collect all the variables in the left side as I advised you before, and put all the numbers on the right side as we agreed before. So my dear student, draw like this and drop the negative 6a here and bring the variables from here. It will be plus 6a, and drop this down. It will be 3. It is already exist in the right side. Don't change anything, but when you move this to this side, it will be negative 3. So you will get from here, from the left side, from here, my dear student, negative 6 plus 6, it is 0. It is 0a, teacher. Yes, 0a means 0. Okay, don't worry about it. So 0 on the left side and 3 minus 3 equal, it is also 0, teacher. So when I get the left side equal the right side, you have to say the original equation, it is identity, or it has infinity solutions. It has infinity solution. Before, okay, I think you understand what I did here, yes? Okay, I reach to this result. When I reach to 0 equals 0, directly you say the equation has infinity solutions. That means the equation called identity. Remember, identity. Forgive me for the spelling. Okay, it is identity equation. Okay, so 31, it is identity equation. Okay, and I will give you a very good information. If you reach it without do the solution, you can only break the parentheses. See here, look at the left side and the right side, my dear student. Look here at the left side and the right side. Look, it is negative 6a plus 3 plus 3. So the left side and the right side has the same equation. In this case, you say without do any solution, you say the original equation, it is identity. Okay, my dear student, it is identity. That means it has infinity solution. Okay, my dear students, I hope you get all the benefits from this revision. See you Monday, inshallah. I hope you get a full mark. Goodbye. This is Muhammad Khair, and see you later, my sweet alligators.